Hi guys, welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a little bit of garden chores. So if you're interested in that, then stick around and stay tuned. I'm about to plant up these. I don't know what they are. I think they're tomatoes by looking at the stem, but I don't know if they're tomatillos. I had one that I planted out yesterday, which is this one, and I moved it because I'm scared that it might be a tomatillo, but I don't know what it is. These are what I think are tomatillos, but I don't know if they are. I looked at my video from last year. I still couldn't tell, but I think these are tomatillos. They're getting flower buds on them. This is the baby one, and this is one too, I believe, but still not 100% sure of that. But it does have flowers, so we're gonna see what it is, and we're gonna see what these are. But I wanted to show you my soil. My soil looks very good. This is the second or maybe the third. I think I got these beds in 2022. It's 2024. And my soil looks very good all the way down to the bottom. It's deep, dark. It looks dry on the top, but it's not. It looks good on the bottom. So I'm going to plant out these tomatillos. I don't know what they are, but anybody knows? Let me know. I'm really starting to think they're tomatoes just by what this leaf look like. But when you look on this one, none of them are shaped differently. But it has 1 and 1 too, so I think it might be a tomato. So I'm going to put them in here with the rest of these peppers. I hope for the best. These are my hot peppers in this bed. I just separated them so I won't eat the wrong ones and kill myself. But I have 2 marigolds for deterrent and peppers and onions in this bed. And I'm going to put some basil in here as well. So, okay, in the holes I put a little bit of garden tone. Just give me a little small little handful. Or not a handful, about that much. Sprinkle it down in there. And I have some worm castings, Earth Science brand that I got from Costco. I bought 5 bags, but I only have 2 left where I'm in the beds with. And then this is my calcium I made from eggshells. This is good for peppers and tomatoes and tomatillos too, because it's in the same family. I'll leave a video up here to show you how I made it. Just sprinkle a little bit of that over in there. And that's pretty much it, how I amend my holes when I plant something. And I just stir it up pretty good. Oop, that was a worm. I won't kill you and get you back in there. Set y'all back right there. Then when I get my things out, if it has bottom leaves, I go ahead and pull those off. Squeeze this around all the way around. Take it out. Roots look good in these pots. I like these pots. This is my first year getting them. I got them from, I don't know, I forget the name of it. I got a video on that too. I'll link it. But I like them. I like how they aerate and make the roots look. And I plant tomatoes all the way up because they make their own roots from the stem, from the little hairs that's on them. They grow additional roots and make them strong. And that's about it. How I plant up my tomato and peppers. And then I just water them in really good. The ground is wet, but you still want to water them good. Try not to drown them like I'm doing the leaves. I break them off. I don't do that. But wet them up pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see the other one over here. Yep, I guess y'all can see that too. Because I planted 2 of them. And that's pretty much it. I do not think this one has have any flowers. I don't know, but I'm going to break off this bottom one. I'm going to take my glove off. Alright, I'm going to clip off the bottom ones. They're growing suckers, of course, already. I ain't even showing it, but there's growing suckers right there. Put it off. So that's it for that. This jalapeno, I was giving it a chance. I thought it was going to live, but it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and put another pepper right there. So I'll let you guys see that as well. So 1 second. I have an extra fish pepper that I topped off the top, snapped off the top so that it can sprout out. Now you can see it's sprouting all the way around. I also have a fish pepper already right here, so I'm just going to have 2 of them. They're really hot peppers, but I'll sit you right here and back. Got something coming up right there. I don't know what that is. Almost looks like a tomato. And we're going to dig this jalapeno up. I just really thought it was going to make it because I thought it had good roots on it. But as you can see, the stem is turning up. It fell. The stem is turning brown at the bottom. So that's how you know it's not going to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it and give it back to the earth and plant something else in this spot. I'm going to save that marker. I used the label machine and they don't fade in the sun. So anywho, do the same thing that I did to the other one. I'm put a little worm casting. A little garden tone. And a little eggshell. Stir that around in the soil. Go ahead and prick off the bottom, very bottom leaves off of this one. That was a little bit too deep. Then push the soil back around it. These beds were recently amended with mushroom compost, so they're pretty good. And then scoop those back. I'm gonna water this puppy again. Oh, I put it back too far. And I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it because I'm putting more tomatoes in here. Putting something in here. So move it to over here. Still gonna re-amend it just a little bit. I didn't even pay no attention to that. Thought it was a little off center from where I wanted it. Same thing. Alright, I'll put you back right there. Oh, and I lost the, oh no, I didn't, there it is. I was I lost the marker. But I see it. And stick the marker so I know what it is. I won't forget these two because see those variegated leaves? They're so pretty. But mark them anyway. As you can see, fish pepper there and there. Now we got both fish peppers planted. We have the tomatoes or tomatillas, mystery plants. I really think it might be a tomato though. And that leaf almost looks like a potato. I don't know what they are. Well, not a potato, but don't know what they are. But it'll bring us some food. So that is it for this bed until I put two more things or something in the middle. I'm going to plant some flowers. I think this is a zinnia from last year popping up. So I'm going to let that stay. Because I did have zinnias in this bed. This bed has zinnias, eggplant, and peppers. It's shishito peppers. I was hoping one of them came back, but I haven't seen one. So, and this bed had shishito too. I had two of them. Don't know where they came from because I don't have any shishito seeds. So I think one of my seed packets has the wrong seeds. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.